How to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. TikTok recently added a new streak feature like Snapchat has, and that feature doesn't have yet to you. So that's why I'll show you how you can get it, the streak feature on your TikTok account. So the first method is check your TikTok app if it's updated or not, because it's a new update feature. So make sure that you've updated, search for TikTok, and if you have any updates, you need to just go and update it from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you've updated, you'll find the streak feature. You can open up your TikTok after that and then check if your problem has been solved. Second method is to change your region on TikTok, because even after the update, in some regions, the TikTok feature of streak might not be available. So what you need to do is change your region. For that, you need to open up your TikTok. After that, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. Now you need to go with account and go with account information. And here you will have your account region. You need to go and change your account region. Once you've changed your account region, your problem might be fixed. Go and change it so you will have the streak feature, but make sure that you have changed it to a bigger country where this feature is available. For example, Mexico, England, Germany, or many more. But keep in mind that you need to be in that country for at least 90 days, but you can bypass that by downloading a VPN. Or the last method is to report a problem to the TikTok community. You can do that by opening your TikTok, going with your settings and privacy, scroll down, go with report a problem, scroll down again, go with chat with us, and here you need to enter submit a problem. After that, you will get the submit a ticket option. You need to tap on it and then describe your issue. You need to write that I'm not having a TikTok streak feature, so please help me with that. And after that, you need to submit and your problem might be fixed. It will give you some guidelines. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.